All right, we are unboxing and checking out the Wix Biddy 64-ounce insulated water bottle with straw. This is stainless steel, and it's going to keep it cold for up to 48 hours, and I think that's really amazing. So this is going to be a really fun water bottle. First of all, I'm just a real big water advocate. Now, before I got this bottle, this is where I put my water in, which is stainless steel as well. So I strongly recommend stainless steel. I also think it's better to have a larger one. This being 64 ounces is going to last you all day. Now, there's a couple of things I want to point out that I really personally like about this water bottle. I love that it's stainless steel, so it's very sturdy. I love that they have a pack on it, which you can easily remove. You just unzip the bottom, and you can take that pack out. But this thing is very cool because you can actually put your phone in here. It's got room for your phone. You can hook your keys up to it. You could carry it as a shoulder bag if you wanted to. Like this. This will come out and attach here. And then let me show you how that works. So this could be worn just like this, like almost as like a side bag. And then it's very easy to access. You got a handle right here. And then you just access the water just like that. You just pull that knob up and you're sucking water. Now let's open it up. Check out the straw. Okay, this is great. They even provide something that you don't always get, and that's a straw cleaner. So we have 2 straws here, and you can actually put some dish soap on that, and then, you know, every couple days, you can just clean it and make sure you're keeping those straws clean. So all we do to get this hooked up is attach that there, stick it in there, screw it down, and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. You also have a separate top if you just want to be able to, you know, pour it. You can do that as well. So this is the straw that you're going to suck out of. And then if you just want to pour it or drip it in your mouth or whatever, you can stick it on like this and then just tip it back or pour it. So there's different options depending on which kind of top you want. The last thing I'm going to show you is probably the thing that's going to put it over the top. They actually give you all these stickers. And they're definitely stickers for people that like to stay healthy. So it's like camping stickers, take a walk to the wild side. Never stop exploring. So these are stickers that you can actually stick onto the side of the water bottle. Let's find a couple more. Explore nature every day. So you kind of get a vibe. It's very active, very outdoorsy. Now the last thing I want to do is I just want to show you another way you can use it. So you don't need to use the container for it. You can actually